unboxing of it before we go out and run it around the station car park and see how it goes. So this is the Arrma Infraction, which I'm sure everyone's seen before. We're quite excited about getting it. What have we got here then? Oh, these are the normal instructions, aren't they? Don't need that at the moment. Bin that. The box out the way. And we've got cable ties. What we do with the scissors? Over here. Rid up. Get rid of that. Everyone says it, but I have to say it myself, the smell of a new RC car. And there she is. Don't just bash, blast. It might be black inside. It's not. Nice tight suspension. Check Mrs. Jones. What's that? Oh, I soon burn that off. Like the look of that. Looking good.
Yeah.
What else we got in here then?
Radio, most likely.
Oh, I think I left the batteries in the car. Unless we take them out of the trash.
Is that a different one or is it the same?
It's a different one because it's got the AVC on it. So what we do is we'll take the batteries out of this. We use these. Can't remember whose car that went to.
Probably yours.
I think it was mine.
Is that one still delayed though?
I don't think it's as bad because it's a slightly better radio. This one is
How does
the
it feel?
DX2E.
Does it feel better on the hand?
Feels the same, but it's
Got AVC.
got AVC on it and trim. That's your AVC steering rate. Probably need to get the power.
Skid plates. Why do you need skid plates?
What does that say there? We've got
Bind.
bind. So hopefully it's bound. Throttle trim. Steering trim. Don't know what they are there though. I'll probably reverse. Might need to get the instructions out to just have a quick look over that and see what each one does.
Maybe it's that reverse steering wheel.
Well, I think one turns the AVC on and off.
One's reverse throttle. I'll go get the batteries.
Are they in the car?
Yeah. What, should I get yours or?
That is one mean car.
Yours or mine.
Well, hopefully they're mine.
Hopefully. No, they're mine.
Well, we needed mine.
Doesn't matter, right?
It does. Because yours won't connect to this. I like the twin battery tray though, so it keeps it balanced. It's one thing I've never liked is the stacking them on top of each other in the Kraton. Having this very easily accessible. Actually, that is a much bigger waterproof receiver box than was on the Kraton. Wonder if that can be moved over to the Kraton so I can put my bigger receiver in it. Or I can still do it and then get an AVC module so I can use my Noble, which would be handy. Huge splitter. Never quite understood why they have this foam here behind the splitter. Because the first thing you're going to hit anything with is the splitter. And the rear diffuser. It's an awesome piece of kit. Thank you. Might as well get it ready for when we take it out. Well, it takes some big batteries as well. I suppose that's, well, you're going to end up boosting it up to 8S, I guess.
Where do you put the balance in?
This that's going to stick out. I don't think you have to worry too much about the balance leads on this one. Huge amount of excess strap. Both of these on one side. Look at the lamp you can do as well.
Yeah, massive batteries. Probably took 6 up a long time.
Probably, well, be sure you could get.
I think that's really tough.
Don't like that you're going to try and hide this somewhere without it coming out and laying on the floor.
Did you not just like cut it off?
No, because then you won't be able to use bigger sizes. If you ever did decide to go bigger batteries.
I'm plugging it in.
Put them on top of each other like that. Plugged. Turn it on.
I think, yep, on. Don't think it's bound. Like this.
No, turn the AVC up.
All the way.
Yep, and watch. So as you go around the corner,
Turns the opposite direction.
that turned all the way up.
Yeah, that's all the way up.
You go around it.
Do you want it all the way up, though?
Well, I don't know until I start driving it. Do a quick spin. Right. Let's go and give it a run.